We've got a new high bullish breakout in gold today, but first a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNET, the world's largest retail broker offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find the link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for gold, and you can see that today it broke to new highs and broke out of this symmetrical triangle topping pattern that had support along this 50 moving average. I mention that because this tells us we want to pay attention to the 50 moving average later on further up in the trend. In the 20 right here, the purple is just starting to get confirmed by the market, and it's still too early. So we have a very clear high momentum breakout and a likely close for the week near the highs of the day and the week. That means that gold is heading into the weekend with strong upward momentum and very well may continue that into the beginning of next week, if not a lot longer. So this is a long-term bullish breakout. That means that it has a long way to go potentially. Now, the initial targets, just looking at the first one up here, I've got drawn a 2005-43, which is a completion of the smaller A, B, C, D pattern, but still a fairly good size. So that's a solid target. That target is followed by the 2005-66, which I'm not going to get into now because it's a longer term pattern, but it's completion of a large ABCD pattern that I discussed in today's writing as well. You can check it there. And then we have the initial target from the symmetrical triangle, along with another Fibonacci target, combined together from 2005.95 to 2006.05. And what that is taking the distance from the low to the high of the symmetrical triangle and projecting that from the breakout level, and that gives us that 2006.04. That's an approximate level because different analysts may calculate that. They could calculate that a little bit differently, but it's close enough. It shouldn't be too different than anybody else might have. And since that 127.2% extension is right there right there as well, that gives it a little more credibility. Okay, so that is this ABCD pattern, the extended version of this ABCD pattern. So the same one, so we take this and go up here, and that means that the CD legs extended by 127.2% of the distance in the AB leg. But first, the first target. Okay, that is it for gold traders. Have a great weekend.